This means b to the power of m is equals to x, and b to the power of n is equals to y. Logarithm of x over y in base b means logarithm of b to the power of m over b to the power of n in base b. Logarithm of x over y in base b is equals to logarithm of b to the power of m minus n in base b. Log of x over y in base b is equals to m minus n times log of b in base b. But this is 1. Logarithm of x over y in base b is equals to m is logarithm of x in base b minus n is log of y in base b.